Welcome to J&J's test video of 9474. This is a C4 Corvette, I believe 1995, 126,000 miles on it. Run and drive. What you see is what happened. Took the hood, the front bumper, and left headlight. Rest of it's alright. Got some rep wheels on it. Runs really nice. Interior's not too bad. We'll take it for a drive. Seats are a little worn out. Door pocket's missing. 126, 447. Radio works, climate control works. Some of the vents are still good. Dash isn't all cracked up. Idle's out nice, but column's loose. Go ahead and take it for a drive. Oh, it's got that fancy pipe. Oh man, them things are heavy. You never have to hold a C4 hood without a strut. It's not the lightest thing in the world. Oh, I died. Well, that's the end of that. The transmission does work, but the battery's dead and I can't drive it on a box. So, as always, thank you for watching and have your pets